Ciao Tesla people, I just got a notification that there was a software update, the 2025.8.7. I just installed a few days ago the .6, so this is another release for bug fixes, improvements from the .4, which was the big one. So I already downloaded, so this gets the schedule, so let's install it. We'll skip this guy, and it should start. Yep, so it started right away. So I'm going to check out the release notes, what it says. On the app it doesn't say much, also there it just says bug fixes and some improvements. So I use the Tesla, nottesla.app.com site to check the release notes. So let's do the installation, let's see how long it takes. Now it's 2:15. So let's see, it should be a quick install, okay? So I'll do a time lapse and I'll see you in a bit. So I just finished the install. It took only 17 minutes, which is really fast. Minor fixes and nothing else. And now I saw a trend that when it becomes black, just for a certain short period of time, it will show you the progress, and then it goes black. That's a change which I didn't have before. They will show you like 60%, 70%, 80%, and something like that. Anyway, let's go to the software. It's the EU 2025.8.7. So there are some undocumented changes, and I'm checking out on the nottesla.app.com site. So the first undocumented changes is the new map icons. So basically icons on the map are being slightly redesigned to be less elongated. They now also feature a white border, make them easier to see when satellite images are on. This feature appears to be rolling out slowly, as you may see, it only at specific zoom levels, so for specific icons. Okay, so some icons on the maps. Add additional tool tips, and so Tesla has added some additional tips to the screen that shows up in certain cases. For example, if you're playing audio over Bluetooth, Tesla will suggest you that you use their built-in music app instead of the streaming through your phone. Okay, that's useful. Destination charging icons are now visible on the map when you have a points of interest enabled. You can enable points of interest by tapping on the map and choosing the points of interest icon on the right side near the satellite imagery icon. Okay, and some destination charges may charge a fee, while others may exclusive to customers. Okay. Navigation improvements. If you're using a Tesla navigation system with voice guidance, the spoken direction will now stop immediately when you end the trip, instead of finishing the phrase that's being spoken. Okay, that's the cutoff. Okay, the voice. Improve the Rainbow Road. Okay, that's, you see. Okay, the Rainbow Road feature have been greatly improved in this update. Rainbow Road, which can be enabled in the Toy Box app, changes the vehicle path when on autopilot for blue to a rainbow. Okay, since the rainbow path didn't have the full feature of the blue path, Tesla has added to previously overlay the blue path on top of the rainbow. However, with this update, the rainbow path now incorporates autopilot features such as arrows when sudden slowing down. Okay. Yeah, so some of these are probably from the previous one, and some of these are from this one, this update. Okay, which is pretty good. 4 or 5 undocumented changes, which is always good to know. So mostly it's like user-friendly changes. Anyway, this update was really fast compared to the other ones. 15 minutes. I downloaded while I was driving, so it took me less time. And that's it. please check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, you can use my referral for a discount, 500 euros here and $1,000 in the US. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.